Greetings, great minds. My name is Emmanuel and I'm your host today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this software that I have been working on to manage my trades and help me in my trading journey. And I believe this is something that will be very helpful to the trading community. So let me walk you guys through this software quickly. So this is the homepage here, and it's a very simple web application. So far I have only 3 features for now, or rather 3 tools. So the first one is the trading journal, and then the second one is the risk management calculator, and then the last but not the least is the compound interest calculator. So quickly, let me walk you guys through this software. So the first one we'll be trying out is the risk management calculator. So let's click on it, and then it opens up. So what this calculator does is to simply help you calculate the risk for a particular trade you want to take, and then it unveils to you the amount you'll be risking and of course the right lot size you should use for that particular trade. So let's quickly go ahead and test how this calculator works. So let's assume you want to take a trade, and in this particular setup, or let's say rather that our strategy is to risk just 1% per trade. So you say 1%, and then the stop loss you want to use, let's say you want to use 10 stop loss, and then right here you put your account balance, it's 5,000, and then you click on calculate, and immediately it gives you this figure. So this is your standard lot size. So this is the amount, this is the lot size you should be using for this particular trade, okay? And the amount you will be risking is $50. So now let me unveil to you the most important of them all. But before we go there, let's check this one quickly and see how it works. So as you can see, this tool is currently unavailable at the moment. Keep an eye on our Telegram group for announcement when ready. All right, so this particular one is not available yet. I've not developed the tool yet, so you can join the Telegram channel here and follow up, or you just click on OK. So this is a trading journal with so much interesting features. All right, let's check it out. So sorry, but you must create an account to use the journal. So you click on proceed now. So you click on proceed, it will bring you to this sign up page. So if you don't have an account yet, you can create an account, but for me, I already have an account, so I'll click on login, and then I'll just input my login details, and just like that I will be logged in. All right, this is my dashboard. As you can see, where we have public journals. This is just the dashboard. I plan to display things like public journals right here in case you want to share your journal with your friends or your wherever, maybe your friends or your colleagues, or you have some group of people whom you want to share your journal with. Then you can just make it public, and those people will see it from the dashboard right here once they log in. All right, so to access the trading journal, all we need to do is click on the navigation button, and boom, we find all the features we have. So for the user account, you won't be able to see some of these things. So the most important thing here is the FX journal, which is the feature that brought us to the login page. So the first thing is this, which is Johnny Journal. No, I think there's a problem here. All right, I think I should just solve this problem one time. So let's just go to the code quickly and navigate to navigate to views, includes, then go to the navigation view, then I'm going to find that for logged in users. Okay, should find it around here. So let's just go down to here. Let's just change this to create journal. I think that should be just that should be better. So, and yeah, we should be fine. So yeah, create journal. All right, so let's quickly go ahead and see how this works. Okay, so the first thing you want to understand about this is you need to have a table for each of your journals. So for example, if I leave it the way it is and send it to the default, it is automatically going to save the information that we are going to impute here on this table. So you want to see this table as the, let's say, as a certain account. Take for example, you are trading like 3 accounts. So you have a funded account, prop firm account, you have a personal trading equity that you're growing, and you have maybe a flipping account, all those kind of things. So you can create multiple tables for each account. So you could just say prop 5k. So with this, any information you input here will be stored under this table, meaning under this particular account. So that is the same information you're going to be using to access this data later on. So I'm going to show you all of this, but for now I'll just go ahead and record the information on the default table. Okay, so let's go ahead quickly and store some data. So I'll assume the time frame I'm trading is 5 minutes. So I'm using liquidity grabber and I'm trading GBP USD. That's my favorite pairs. And then I'm using, let's just say, one lot size, one standard lot, and then my stop loss is 7 pips, my TP is 14 pips. It's a buy trade. My profit on this, okay, let's assume this is a winning trade. So that means, let's just say I'm making 200 on this trade, and I enter, okay, let's say I entered around this level, and then risk to reward 1 to 2 was a winning trade. Okay, let's say my initial balance was 5,000. So currently I will have 5,200. Account growth, account has grown up to how many percent? That's 4%. Yeah, 200 is actually 4% of these. So 4%, and then a comment, you can just say good win right there. Anyway, this is the worst comment you want to make on a trade, guys. Make a reasonable comment you can reference to tomorrow. That will be much valuable to you. I think there's a point I'm missing. Okay, profit loss 200 I did. Okay, yeah, everywhere is filled correctly. So go ahead now and select. Now the idea of this image is when you are trading, you take a screenshot of the setup you are trading, and when you take a screenshot of the setup, then you upload it together with the records you are journaling, and then at any point in time you'll be able to go back and review the setup you traded that made you profit or that made you lose money. So that was the idea. I added a feature recently anyway, and it's really helpful. So we've recorded it, and it says your today trade has successfully been recorded. Okay, so now to view this, we click on this level again, and then we go to performance metrics. So we open performance metrics. That information should show here because we recorded it on this particular table, the default table. This default table is what I'm using for my back testing. So I'll have to delete this data at the end of this recording because it's going to manipulate my win rate actually. So every information here is accurate. Like I told you guys, this feature was added newly. That's why you see all these places is showing on. This is a new feature I added recently. So to see this image, you just right click like that and then click on show on new page. You see that, so it takes you to see the chart, the trade you took, and then you can be able to review it and see the setup, you know, and all of that. So that is it about this particular trading journal. It's very simple and straightforward. It has it majorly has two things. Here is where you create the journal, okay, and here is where you view the journal. Now let me show you guys something else again, which is a feature on this particular one that is quite interesting. So you can search for a particular date. So let me search for data between this day and today. I've not done back testing recently, so you can also, this is where you now change the table. So if I want to view data on a particular table, I'll just come here and select any table I want to view the data. So but for now I want to view the data on the default table. So I'll just go with default. As you can see, it's showing me just a single data here, which is this single one we added just right now, because like I said, for days now I've not back tested anything, so to show you the only information. So assuming we have like 10 trades for that particular days, it will show it. If it's 100, everything is going to bring it up to you and you can see those information. So if you want to see information like certain days far back, you can just come here and use this feature to select specific informations, and it will get it done for you. So that is all about the software. I hope this is going to be helpful, not just to me alone, but the entire trading community. All right, thank you for great support, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.